So you want to get Minecraft Premium very cheap and play in all the servers that are premium. So I have the solution for you. This is very useful because Minecraft costs like $25 and with this tutorial you can get it like for $4. So the first thing you have to do is go to Xbox Microsoft Store and find Deluxe Edition from Minecraft and scroll down to the bottom and choose language. So in language we are going to choose Argentina Español. Once you pick Argentina Español, you can find Minecraft again, and you will see that it is $4, so you can buy it for like 90% of discount. And then the only thing you have to do is put your credit card or debit card information, and you will have Minecraft to access all the servers that are premium. So if this tutorial was useful, please subscribe, comment, like, and more. Expect more tutorials of this kind, so goodbye.